Let's get it. How do you reckon?
That's so fun, Ray.
Right?
I think I just, at the end there where I stood up, I was like, oh, I don't think I'm standing up enough.
I was gonna say, it's probably the one thing, and that's a bad bike to be, you know, learning with like standing, because it's so comfy.
Yeah. Yeah, it loves it, eh? No, dude, that's fun as fuck. Probably going way too slow for you, but...
Nah. I think it's funny, every puddle, you just drive straight into it.
What do most people do?
Go around it.
Oh, really?
It doesn't matter.
Ah.
I go around it because I don't like getting wet.
No, that's fun. That's part of the fun, bro. Alright, I think I'm ready.
So I'll take you to the turn off.
Yeah.
And then you'll go in front.
Oh, okay.
So I can watch you fall.
Perfect.
Exactly.
Motherfucker, bro.
You like that uphill?
That was sick,
I've seen so many people get spat off there.
Dude, that was so fun. I was like, this motherfucker, dude.
Yeah.
That's fun.
Fuck yeah, it is. Oh, what? Nah, it's all good. Yeah, like that. But let the clutch out more. You're just revving it.
Huh?
You're just revving it. You let the clutch out more.
Oh.
That's it, yeah?
Where do you lift from?
Handlebars. Just get the front wheel over.
This shit's heavy, bro.
Alright, so we're gonna cross this. Now I have drowned that bike here.
Oh, bruh.
So anyway, you're gonna go first.
You sure?
Oh, you can do whatever. It's water. Fucking hate this creek. Why did I? Yeah, let's go to the creek, Robbie. That's a great idea. Don't we have a fucking ground here? Fuck. Huh? Yep, that's pretty much what happens when it's sand. It's in gear.
Is that bad?
Yeah. Now go. Hold on. Neutral. Alright. Ready?
Yep.
Go.
Oh my god.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Oh my god, it's pretty deep.
Yes! Well done, man. I thought,
like, oh fuck!
I'm like, oh, will he get this or not? And you did.
I didn't think I did. Might need a runner.
No, just go
Hey?
easy up there. Dylan! Quickly, the fuel's leaking. Right. Oh. Ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. Oh, that was amazing.
Roberto, it was bound to happen.
I'm like, you know what? He's gonna stack on the slowest fucking thing.
I should have taken that runner.
Nah, it's gotta be good, mate.